In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and then copy or cut any text. If you want to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on though, click on Clipboard available here and paste it by tapping on it within. If you wish to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, tap on pin icon at the top right corner, click on your text and select Done. To unpin it though, you need to hold your pinned text, then tap on pin icon that's now crossed, and wait. To delete anything from Clipboard, you need to use pin icon next to the pin one, click on your text and tap on Delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete text on the go without going back to your keyboard, use this button at the bottom right corner. To go back to your standard keyboard though, use keyboard icon at the top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!